Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and happy Wednesday. Wednesday Addams here, kind of. Still has on her hat from the 2022 BlytheCon. Oh my God, it was so much fun. This year we're going to have the Dolly Meetup, the YouTube Dolly Meetup in New Jersey around the time of the 2023 BlytheCon, and it is going to be fun. Try to make it. This package is from Jamie, and Jamie and I are the host of the Dolly Meetup, the YouTube Dolly Meetup. Last year I saw that there was a doll show in St. Louis, and I texted Jamie and I said, hey, what if we all came to the doll show? It was only about 2.5 hours from us. And did a Dolly Meetup, and we'll invite all the channels from YouTube and have a little party. Jamie booked a plane ticket immediately, and that was our first annual Dolly Meetup. What did she send? Oh wow, a lot. There's a card. I'm so bad at cards. If I send you a Happy Mail, forgive me. I very rarely. Oh, that's cute. Jamie has been doing a lot of dollhouse videos on her channel, and we'll link her channel below. Dear Marna, thank you for all you do in Dollyverse. Oh, how nice. Happy belated birthday. Oh, Jamie, this is so nice. Thank you so much. Oh, gosh, isn't this cute? You know what? I'll bet this fit my little elf. Oh, that is adorkable. Oh, I love that. What a cute little summer outfit. Oh, I really like that. Thank you, Jamie. And then, this looks like it's for Darren and I. Oh, wow, I know what this is. Oh, this is little houses that you, usually these, okay, you cut these out and put them together. Oh, wow, this is cool. Like I said, Jamie has been doing a lot of dollhouse videos, and they are magnificent. And speaking of dollhouse, you should go watch her doll room. Oh, it's to die for. And a model railroader. Guess who this is for?
Thanks, Jamie.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.